Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grand Master Jedalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with more Black Mesa. A couple things before we get started. Remember, this channel is on the value for value model, so if you got any type of value from this video, please give something of value back, whether it be your time, talent, or treasure. More on that in the description below. Keep in mind that YouTube is still very much broken, so please make sure you're still subbed to the channel. If you were and now you're not for some reason, please go ahead and resub. And if this is your first time watching, go ahead and hit that sub button. It's free, it costs you nothing. And I do have a GoFundMe page open. I'll link to that is also down in the description below. All donations are going towards helping me pay a source filmmaker animator that will be helping me animate the Invasion of the Dead reboot. Been trying to get that reboot out to everyone for over 2 years now, so please donate what you can if you can. All donations are accepted and greatly appreciated, and if you can't donate, please share the link around to your friends, family, and on your social media. So that all being said, let's get back into this. So we have a guy there, a zombie. He's a couple zombies. We're just gonna toss a spicy meatball their way. No, they are dead. I guess that. Oh, we have a friend. Oh, fuck me. Where's my shotgun? No, my shotgun, dude. Okay. Alright. Okay, so over here. What is this thing for? Okay, so we have to hit this. Okay. So now we can go back up, I think. Oh man, you poor bastards.
You should see. You should see the other guy.
Damn. He didn't make it. You fought bravely. I cannot take your shotgun now. Damn it. Well, I'll just throw it down there, because it's worthless. Same thing with this gun.
Attention, all personnel. Launch control train activated. Clear area immediately. Attention. Satellite rocket silo reports. Status green for launch.
Alright. Here we go. Alright, we're loading. Okay. Not sure where we're going now. Oh, I think this way. Oh no! You blew up my rides. I can't blow up the barrel, that sucks. Alright. Here we go. Alright, going here. Grab some shit.
So, who is this guy? Freeman?
They say it was at Ground Zero.
Science team.
Yeah.
Shit. What, so you think this guy's responsible? Sabotage, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. All I know for sure is this guy's been killing Marines.
Oh, yeah. He'll pay. He will definitely pay.
Oh yeah? Okay. They're dead. Okay, I can't go through. Wait. Oh, I thought there was a guy in there. Okay, what about this way? Let's go this way. Nothing. Okay. So I'm guessing I have to go down through that little door over there. I guess. That's my thought process. That's where we're at. And I can't. So... now what? Oh, I think over there. Here we go. Okay. You're dead. Oh, nope. There's another schmuck over there.
I'm going in!
Yeah, you're going into heaven. Okay, so I'm guessing that in there is where I need to go. Alrighty. Up here, then.
I didn't sign off for this shit. Monsters? Hell yeah. But civilians? What is this damn operation anyway?
Oh, fuck. You know what? I have a rocket launcher, right? Yeah. Ah, fuck. Never mind. They see me. They know I'm here. Never mind. So much for the element of surprise. Oh, shit. They've been shooting. Oh, my God. They killed more people. Well, I've killed some people. I've killed some scientists. So, you know, not that big of a deal.
Satellite launch system activated. 20 seconds remaining.
Okay.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Let's watch the show.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Alright. Go this way? Nope, can't go that way. Alright. There's a dead guy there. Where do I go now? Guessing it's where that green light is.
Okay. I'm guessing I gotta go here. Oh, let's pull out my pistol. I don't want to waste. Anything over here? Nope. Zombie down there. Okay. Over here. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good. Alright. Okay. Here. No, no, stop! Stop. No, no, stop! Stop! Never mind. I can't slow it down. Whoa! Oh, jeez. I'm just trying to slow it down. I guess once you start it, you can't stop it. Well, that makes sense, I guess. Okay, so... Okay, so... Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to... Wait, something down here I'm supposed to do? No. Wait, what about you? Come down here with me, right? Okay, any more floaty devices? I think there's somewhere in this other area, I think. At least there should be. Here's one. Leave you here. Anything else? Oh, be over here. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, so... I don't see any more orange floaty things over there. Hopefully this last one does it. I gotta... Wait. Okay, I gotta push it more over there so they... Right? I don't know. Okay, you know, we're just gonna have to use no clip because I don't know what that's what you're supposed to do, and it's not working, so we're just gonna have to use no clip. Where's no clip? There we go. No clip our way through here. Ta-da! Done, because that wasn't working like it should have been. Because that was not working the way it should have been. Yeah. Big whoop. Oh, dude, Jesus.
Okay, go!
I don't know what these things are. Alright. Alright. Here. And, oh, Jesus. See, this is why we use cheat codes, Padawans, because... Is there a ladder? No. So... Oh, wait. Maybe over here. Nope. Ah, gee. Alright, here we go. No clip again. This is just... They updated it. And I'm trying to figure shit out. And, yeah. So where am I supposed to go? Got these schmucks. Really...
Holy shit!
Yeah, holy shit, I'm flying. I guess, somehow. Which they don't really tell you how, because the game is just... I don't know. I mean, I guess, I don't know. Maybe there was a way to do it, but, you know, I don't really feel like looking up a playthrough and trying to figure that out. I'm just gonna fucking, like, you know... Alright, maybe I have to, because... I don't know. I don't know, Padawans. I honest to God don't know. They update... I mean... My thought was you had to do that to get up there. And apparently you can't. So... Ah, gee. Alright, so where am I going? Let's go back... You know what? Let's go back on the other side, and I gotta go look up a playthrough to try and figure out, because the whole point of fucking... putting, you know, things in there is to make the thing float so, you know, you can go back up. But you can't. So, I don't understand what they want you to do. So, let me go look up a playthrough, Padawans. Okay, Padawans, so I did not notice these two openings over here. Or I did, but I wasn't sure what you could do with them, so... It's supposed to be... two other barrels here, which, you see, wait, there's another barrel, but it's trapped. Okay, Alright, so take you. And we'll put you in there. Okay, so wait. Okay, so it looks like... I don't know, because there's supposed to be another barrel in here. Or is there? I don't know. Okay, so here's the damaged train we were on. Oh, Lord. Okay, so what just happened here? Okay, let's go back up and figure out what just happened. Okay. So... Okay, see, the problem is they don't let you... Oh, wait, over here. That's where I need to go. Oh, okay. I think I can... There we go. So sorry I had to put on cheat codes there and kind of cheat a little bit, but... Okay, so I did this. Okay, so you guys saw me do this when I cheated and went back up. But now I need to get out of there. Okay, but now the problem is where do I go from here? Because I can't get through there. And yeah, this is what I mean. This is why we play with. This is why I play with cheat codes, Padawans. Is because the game just sometimes just does something, and then when you go look up a playthrough or something, it doesn't tell you exactly what playthrough you're looking up. So either way, I'm gonna have to go look up the playthrough again on somebody else's channel to go figure out what it is I need to do. So until then, I'm just gonna end the video here because I really need to figure out what it is I need to do. So I'm gonna end the video here. So I just want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and until next time, my younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights, remember, the Force will be with you always.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvair of the Rebellion. The Grandmaster has requested me to convey some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Genlo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as training cast and crew, along with a possible Conga Blue Belt, and to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, Mr. Erasmus.